So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to see about how to uninstall AutoCAD 2024. As you can see it right over here, this is AutoCAD 2024. Many of the subscribers had commented that in the last video of 2023 I had in, installed 2024, and they told there is a problem in uninstalling 2024. So all you have to do to uninstall AutoCAD 2024 is just go in the search menu, just search add or remove apps, which is right over here, add or remove programs. After going into that, you just have to search for let the page load. Then here you will get a list of all the apps that are there in your PC, and you can just uninstall the things that you don't want. So in this, you have to just search for AutoCAD, which is right over here, and just press on the three dots which are right over here, and just press uninstall, which is right over here. I will not press uninstall because I don't want to uninstall it. But that's all you have to do. Just press these three buttons, and you have to select uninstall for it. Any case in any of the software that you want to uninstall, you just have to do this simple. Click on these three dots and press uninstall. That's all, and that's all for the video. This is the only thing that I had to show. So yeah, thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it.